What's it doing? Rescue!
The Costa Serena is one of the world's most spectacular cruise ships. Famous throughout Europe, she is part of an award-winning green fleet. She is longer than the London Bridge, and her decks cover more space than 20 football fields. With 3,800 international passengers on each cruise, the 1,000 crew members who spend most of their lives at sea are pushed to the max.
Pack your bags and go.
We work here, but we live here. We live here.
Now, the ship is facing a tough season. Worsening weather, an inspection putting jobs on the line.
You don't know nothing, my dear.
Unusual guests, and many unexpected challenges ahead. This crew must be on high alert. This is cruise ship life as never seen before. The coming weeks will test this floating city's mettle and will reveal exactly what it's like to live and work on one of the ocean's biggest ships. This is Cruise Ship Diaries.